person, you will say the greetings. This lesson will show different ways to say greetings to others. Let's learn how we do it with audio explanations. 1. Hi, hello. 2. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. 3. How are you? How are you doing? How you doing? Informal. 4. Fine. How about you? 5. Okay, thanks. Learn to communicate in English fluently. Let's start with simple phrases. In this lesson, we will learn about introducing yourself for beginners. 1. I'm John. I'm Jackie. Use first name in informal situations. 2. I'm John Kennedy. I'm Jackie O'Neill. Use full name in business and formal situations. 3. It's nice to meet you. It's nice meeting you. It's good to meet you. Want to introduce a person to another, how will you do it? Let's focus on these statements. This is Minnie Rivers. That is Mr. Lewis. 2. Minnie is a writer. Mr. Lewis is a barber. Gail is an artist. He is a photographer. She is a secretary. He's a dentist. She's a doctor. 3. I'm a computer programmer. I'm a businessman. I'm a businesswoman. I'm not a mechanic. 4. We are writers. They are engineers. You are a student. You are students. 5. This is an apple. This is a banana. That is an orange. That is not a tomato. 6. It is a telephone. It's a horse. It's not an airplane. What is your name? My name is Robert. You can call me Bob. What is it? That's a pencil. What is that? It's a desk. How do you say it in English? Eraser. How do you spell it? eraser. Please say it again. All right. Please speak more slowly. Okay. Listen carefully. I don't understand. Let me explain. I'm sorry. That's okay. One. What is this? This is a table. 2. What is that? That is a chair. 3. What's this? It's a pen. 4. What's that? It's an apple. 5. What are these? These are pencils. 6. What are those? Those are books. 7. Where is Mr. King? He is over there. 8. Where is Miss Knight? He's in the house. 9. Where's Johnny? He's in the house. 10. When's the movie? It's at 9 o'clock. 11. When's lunch? Lunch is at noon. 12. How is the food? It's delicious. One. Jeremy is from Ohio. Oh really? What part of Ohio? Columbus. 2. Kelly is a saleswoman. Is that right? What company? Microsoft. 3. He's a university student. Oh. What university? Harvard. 4. Rhonda lives in Texas. Really? What city? In Texas. Dallas. 5. I work at a restaurant. Oh really? Which restaurant? Angelo Maroney's. 6. I live in Florida. Oh yeah? We're in Florida. Orlando. 7. Where are you from? I'm from Delaware. 8. What is your occupation? I'm a police officer. 1. I work in a post office. Are you a letter carrier? No, I'm a postal clerk. 2. Greg works in a bank. Is he a teller? Yes, he is. 3. They live in Washington. Are they senators? No, they aren't. 4. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. What do you eat? I eat eggs, bacon, and toast. 5. She goes to work at 9 a.m. Where does she work? In the cafeteria. 6. Eddie plays basketball every Friday. Where does he play? At the gym. 7. Penny starts class at 10 o'clock. When does she finish? At 11 o'clock. 8. I don't drink beer. Why not? I don't like it. Are you from Canada? Yes, I am. Is he a doctor? No, he isn't. Is this free? Yes, it is. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Does she live in New Orleans? No, she doesn't. Is she going to the dance? Yes, she is. Are they flying home? No, they're taking the bus. Are you coming to the party? No, I have other plans. What do you do, as an occupation? I'm a computer programmer. What do you do on the weekends? I usually stay home and watch television. Where are you from? I'm from Ontario, California. Where do you live? I live in Arizona. One. How many fingers do you have? I have 8 fingers. 2. You have 8 fingers? 8 fingers and 2 thumbs. 3. How many brothers does Ryan have? He has 4 brothers. 4. How many students in your class? 35, including me. 5. How old is your sister? She is 17. 6. How many hours do you work every day? From 9 to 5. 8 hours. 7. How many people are in the group? About 70. 8. How many cookies are left? 5 or 6. 9. How many toothpicks are in the box? More than 100. Introducing your family. This is my mother. This is my father. These are my parents. This is my wife. This is my husband. There are 5 people in my family. My mother, my father, my older brother, my older sister, me, my younger brother. I have 2 brothers. One is older. One brother is older than me. One is younger. I have 1 sister. I'm number 3. Asking about family. How many brothers and sisters do you have? What number are you? He's the oldest of 5 children. She's the youngest. Cindy doesn't have any brothers or sisters. Jared is an only child. How many children do you have? We have 2. 1 son and 1 daughter. Do you have any kids? No, I'm not married.